Hi students, good morning. Welcome back to our classes. Today we are going to start another important topic. In your A standard, in your social studies, you have learned history, geography and political science. But from 9th standard onwards, you are going to study one more subject that is called economics. That is called economics. Economics is a science which deals with wealth. Economics is a science of wealth. Economics is a science of wealth. Adam Smith, the Scottish economist, he is considering as the father of economics. So, in your 9th standard syllabus, economics added as one more subject. So, let's study about economics. Economics, as we know, it is a study of wealth. Economics is a science of wealth or study of wealth. All the productive activities, all the work we are we are mainly doing with the purpose of economic activities. All the activities it is considering as the productive activities. All the productive activities related with production, consumption and distribution of goods and services in a particular geographical area. Is called economic activities. All the production, consumption and distribution of goods and services in a particular geographical area is called economic activities. All the production, consumption and distribution of goods and services. For example, the farmers, they are cultivating the crops, they are producing the goods. For example, the industrials is manufacturing the goods, he is making the goods. In the case of services, for example, the teachers, the doctors, the lawyers, they are doing the services. So all the activities, all the productive activities related with production, consumption and distribution of goods and services is called economic activities. We know that our India mainly based on agriculture, on agrarian country. Nearby 68% of Indian people still they are living in village. The 68% of the people they are living in village. In this village we see that the majority of the people they are engaged with agriculture, farming activities. Beside or other than farming activities, we can see that in the village we can see that the fishing is there, especially in the coastal areas. Then we can see that the domestication of animals. All the part of India, the farmers they are domesticating the animals as a subsidiary occupations. Domestication of animals, the mining, the forest activity or resources or product collected from the forest. This is also in the village area we can see that the main activities. But agriculture is the main activities in the village. Then along with the agriculture activities we can see that the most of the village small scale productive activities, small scale productions. Then again you can see that like in domestication of animals, what it is called the dairy farmings that we can see in the village area. Again we can see that the shopping, small shops are there. Then again you can see that small transport system. These are the activities again in the village area. We see that agriculture is there. Along with agriculture, then we can see that small manufacturing market is there. Not large scale industries, the small scale manufacturing market is there. Then like making the pickles, like papad, likewise the small items we are seeing in the village. Then again we can see that the dairy farmings. Then again we can see that the small transport, like the private jeeps are there, small transport facilities or services are also available in the village. This is mainly the economic activities. If you are going to the village, we can see the economic activities. Agriculture, most of the people they are depending on the agriculture. Besides the agriculture, we can see that some people domestication of the animals it is there. Then some people they are running the small shops are there, small production units are there, productive activities, production units are there, manufacturing units are there. Then some transport services is there. These are the activities mainly we can see in the village areas. Today in your economics book they are showing the example of one small village. It is called Palampur. Palampur actually it is not, it is an imaginary village located in the western Uttar Pradesh. There the most of the people they are depending on the agriculture. Their occupation is agriculture. So from the Palampur village, the nearby city or town it is there, then the different transport system it is there. We can see that the traditional transport system like the horse it is there, bullock cart it is there, and the modern transport system it is there like the jeep it is there, truck it is there, likewise tractor it is there. Likewise the different transport system they are presenting in the village of Palampur. That when we are presenting the village in the Palampur, that is representing all the village of India. All the village, most of the village, the same life it is there. So from village, the small roads are there. It is connecting to the nearby town. From there, the nearby big city, the roads are connected, and there the different facilities or transport facilities are also available. So the Palampur it is in the western Uttar Pradesh. The city it is located in the western Uttar Pradesh. Then there mostly 450 families are living there. 450 families are living there. A small village, 450 families are living there. Among these, 80% of the people, 80% of the land, more than that much land, it is possessed by 80 families. 80 families. The upper caste family is there. 80 families are there. Then they are occupying nearby 80%, majority of the land. More than 80% of the land it is possessed by 80 upper caste people, high caste people. 80 high caste people they are possessed nearby 80% of the land. Then there also the scheduled caste. The scheduled caste is SC. They are mainly staying in the hut, the small houses, the hut. But in the case of upper caste people, they are living in the concrete houses or concrete cement plastered houses they are living. So this is a difference we can watch in the village. The high caste or rich people, 80% of land possessed by 80 families out of 450 means they are the rich families. They are living in the big houses, and the SC, ST, the lower caste people, they are mainly living in the hut. There in the Palampur, we can see that most of the village or most of the house, it is electric connection it is there, electricity connection is there. That helped them to provide the tube facilities, tube well, irrigation facilities to the village. When the irrigation facilities are there in the village, we can see that the economic development is there in the village. The irrigation facilities is there in the village, means the economic development is there, irrigation facilities. Then again we can see that in the Palampur, there 2 primary schools are there, 1 high school it is there. 2 primary school it is there, 1 high school it is there. Then again you can see that in Palampur there 1 PHC, primary health center, it is run under the government, and again 1 private dispensary is there. 2 small schools, then 1 high school, then 1 PHC, primary health center it is there, then 1 dispensary is there. It is dispensary under the private ownership, and primary health center it is under the government ownership. So this is the general picture of the village of Palampur. Then there you can see that the transport, the old traditional way of transport it is there, the modern way of transport it is there. Then again you can see that most of the houses it is electrified. Electric facilities are available there, that helped them for the providing the tubewell facilities or providing the water. So there is no shortage of the water. Then finally we see that schools are there, then primary health centers are there. Then this is a condition of the general condition of the village of Palampur. So here we see that what is economics. Economic means the economic activity is the productive activity. All the productive activities related with related with the production, consumption and distribution of goods and services in a particular geographical area. So there we want to see what are the requirement of the production. If you wanted to produce, if you wanted to manufacture, if you wanted to produce one goods, the different things are necessary. The different things are necessary. What are the things necessary for the production? This is called factors of production. Factors of production. Factors of production means what are the necessary things required for the production of goods or commodities, that is called factors of production. There are different factors of production it is necessary, and the combination of all these factors of production is called the goods. The combination, the combined work of this all the factors of production is called the goods. The first important factors of production is called land. The land. Land is if there is no land, the production is not possible. So land is the most important factor which provide the product or provide the facilities of the production. Land, it is providing the minerals, then water, even the forest products. Some raw materials are also given from the land. So minerals, water, forest, everything is provided by the land. Then you can see that land it is a fixed. Land it is fixed. Then it cannot be increased or likewise. Land is fixed. Then the land mainly the minerals, water, everything is getting from land. So land is the first important requirement of the production or the factors of production, that is called land. Then next one is called the labor. Next important factors of production is labor. Labor means the human power, manual power, human power. So in the production sometimes the skilled laborers are necessary. Sometimes the skilled laborers are necessary. Then next one, unskilled laborers are necessary. Unskilled laborers, they are mainly using for the manual work, the physical work. The unskilled laborers are mainly using for the skilled work. Sorry, manual work. They are unskilled, they are not trained or they are not specialized in particular skill. Only the human work or manual work they are able to do. But the skilled labor, their technology, they are able to use the technology, their knowledge is important. So two types of laborers are there, skilled laborers and unskilled laborers. Then third one is called capital. Third one is called capital. Capital means the resources of the production. Capital means the resources of the production. The necessary things for the production, that is what phase of production, but capital means the resources for the production. Capital means there are two kinds of capital it is there. There are two kinds of capital. One is called fixed capital. Fixed capital. Fixed capital means this is a durable. This we can use for many times, number of times. For example, the tools are there, machines are there. Tools, machines, those things are called the fixed or workshop. This is called the fixed capital. It is fixed. It is not for today, it is not for tomorrow. It can use number of years or number of months as per our requirements. It is called the fixed capital. Fixed capital means it is fixed, it is using for, it can be used for number of times. It is not used for the one time or it is not used for the 2 or 3 times. It is called the, we can use it for number of times. The tools, machines and even the workshop like the building, that everything we can use for number of times. That is called the fixed capital. Then another important is called the working capital. Working capital. Working capital. Working capital means the capital it is used for the working. Then here working capital it is mainly used by the raw materials and money. Raw material and money, this is used for, this is called as the working capital. Then some money is always required for the time of production. Then raw materials, this is called the working capital. Then land, labor, capital. Then capital utilized fixed capital and working capital. Then again one more is there called human capital. Human capital. Human capital means the skill and the technology of the human beings to utilize the things. For example, now say this is one textbook. This is one textbook. So you are able to read it and you are able to understand this. So you know how to review. If one person is illiterate, not able to read and write, if he is getting this material or this textbook, he cannot utilize it proper way. So that skill or talent he doesn't have. So here you have the talent of using the textbook or reading the textbook and understanding, that is your talent. So human capital means the capacity of the human beings to utilize the resources is called human capital. The capacity of knowledge, the technique of human beings to utilize the resources is called human capital. So this is about the factors of production. The factors of production means there are 4 factors of production: land, labor, capital. Capital means physical capital and human capital. Physical capital and human capital. Physical capital divided into fixed capital and working capital. Land, labor. So here third capital is called physical capital. Physical capital. Then next one is human capital. Like the 4 factors of production are there. Once again, factors of production 4 are there. Land. Land means where the production is took place. From land it is providing the minerals, water and all other facilities it is provided by the land. Then labor means the human force. There skilled laborers are there, unskilled laborers are there. The unskilled laborers, they are mainly doing the manual work. Then next one is physical capital. Physical capital means 2 types of physical capitals are there. One is a fixed capital. Then next one is called the working capital. Fixed capital means the tools are there, machines are there, the buildings are there. This everything is called the fixed capital. For example, your textbook, you are using your textbook note. This is a fixed capital. Then next one is working capital, that is raw materials and money. This raw material we are using for this production today. Then tomorrow that raw material it is converted into finished goods. That we cannot use it as next time as a raw material. That is called the working capital. And finally the 4th one is called the human capital. Human capital means the knowledge and the technology of the human beings to utilize the resources. This is called the human resources. So these are the 4 factors of production. These are the 4 factors of production. Remember, so in economic, the most important thing is the factors of production. Once again, what is economic? All the productive activities. Economy means all the productive activities related with production, consumption and distribution of goods and services in a particular geographical area. And there are 4 factors of production: land, labor, capital and capital means 2 types of capital: fixed physical capital and human capital. Please remember. Thank you.